Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to do a quick review of Creative Fabrica, but specifically I wanted to dive into the design bundles which they have. So they offer some bundling which can be quite cost effective if you wanted to do more than one package but you didn't want the full subscription, monthly subscription. And I also wanted to touch on the monthly subscription which they have and all that it includes. And stay tuned to the end because I've actually got a special gift for everyone here. So it's a coupon code, but you've got to stay till the end for the Creative Fabrica coupon code. Okay, so let's get stuck in. So I've spoken about this before. You can check out my previous video on it. I'll put a link, a card on this video, so you can check that out. But basically, if you come to creativefabrica.com, they've got so many fonts, quite a lot of resources for crafts and graphics, and they've also got free resources daily. So if you don't take anything away from this, just sign up with them, download your free resources. Those are free for you to use. Obviously check their licensing to make sure it suits your needs, but it's free for you to download. Okay, they've got daily downloads for you to access. Now, and just scrolling through their main page, you can see they've got so many really quite excellent, designs, crafts, embroidery, and fonts. They've got so many fonts. But there's popular bundles as well, which you can check out, and they also run, discounts occasionally. Now, let's have a look at the bundles. Okay, so if you go into the bundles tab, you may want a few designs, right? And they add up really quickly. So if you wanted, just one line of these designs, fonts that you enjoy, that you really like, that you can see yourself using on either something for personal use or commercial use, you may want to download some fonts, or you may want to get some design bundles, or both. You might want some unicorn type designs along with the fonts. And if you're doing crafts, well, we're definitely going to get way more than a few designs and fonts. So instead of, going through every single one, you could just build your bundle and click on Start Now to create your own bundle, and it brings you to this tab, which I've already opened here. And you can pick your fonts and crafts and graphics and add it to the bundle. So, you'll just pay a lower fee instead of what it normally would be. So instead of 14 plus 13 and 9, and other things, you can actually pick and mix the bundles that you want of the graphics or fonts or crafts, and that will work out a bit cheaper. Okay, so that's the Creative Fabrica sort of bundling process for your fonts and designs that you can do. Now I wanted to quickly touch on this other one called POD, or print on demand, and I've got it open here. Now this is specifically if you wanted to monetize. Actually, no, you can monetize your pick and bundle graphics as well and fonts, but the print on demand feature that Creative Fabrica has is really quite good. Okay, so again, you can choose your fonts, you can also choose your graphics. So these are look at that, that's quite cute Halloween theme or Christmas theme stuff, and you can even get coloring books. I've spoken about it, KDP templates, which I mentioned in a previous video. Now if you scroll down to the FAQ, you'll see why I really love Creative Fabrica. Okay, purchase a design, sell it forever. So when you choose a full print on demand, you pay a one-time fee and the license is valid for life. You can use the design and fonts to create new designs and sell on print on demand sites forever. That will be for the single sales license. If you got the upgrade, which is the subscription and unlimited access, okay, you get full print on demand designs and fonts, and content's added daily, so whatever is added, you can feel free to use those. You can unsubscribe at any time, but you will also have to stop selling those designs. Okay. Now, the full print on demand license, this is where the magic for me is. Okay, you can use it as is. All right, so this is for the full print on demand license. You can use it as is. Okay, so you do not need to modify it. You can simply upload it. This is an incredible relief for many artists who want to monetize some of their work. Okay, so you can actually, so not only can you use it commercially and you can sell your graphics, but the full print on demand license allows you to use the graphics as it is. You do not have to change it. Okay, now if you went for a different license, you may have to adjust it. All right, so I'll let you take a poke around the Creative Fabrica website and have a look at and read their license and see if it's suitable for you. Okay, but basically this is why I love the full print on demand license. Now if you stuck around till the end, I wanted to just let you know, under the subscription tab of Creative Fabrica, they've got a few deals that you can check out. This one is the most popular by far because they offer fonts, graphics, embroidery designs. Basically, you get pretty much everything. Okay, and it does cost $29 a month. But I've approached Creative Fabrica and I've actually got a discount code, a coupon code for all my audience here. Okay, so if you're checking this video out, you are in luck because I got a coupon code. Now the coupon code is for any full price subscription. Okay, so you need to get a full price subscription and you will get 20% off. Okay, so you get a 20% discount, right? And I'll include a link to my affiliate link for Creative Fabrica and the discount code that you need to put in when you go to checkout before you pay. Okay, and this is only valid for the first 50 customers, so I don't know how fast these codes will go. I have no idea if it'll sell out really quick. And they also have an expiry date of January 31st, 2021. So I strongly suggest that, you know, if you're checking out the subscription anyway and you are going to get it, use my discount code. I'd be grateful if you can use the affiliate link as well, because that will really help support the channel. It doesn't cost you any extra. In fact, with the discount code, it's costing you 20% less. So, you know, I really hope you enjoy Creative Fabrica as much as I do. Okay, so just to recap, the coupon code is for any full price subscription. You get a 20% off on the coupon code. It's only valid for the first 50 customers, so I've only got 50 of those and that's it. And the code will expire January 31st, 2021. So if you're listening to this post January 31st, 2021, the code will not be valid. So try and get your subscription early before it runs out. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day, everyone.